Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. How can I help you today?
I don't feel well. I think I have a cold.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
I have a sore throat, a runny nose, and I'm very tired.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot.
Let me check your temperature. Yes, you have a mild fever.
I've also been coughing a lot.
How long have you been sick?
3 days.
Have you taken any medicine?
Just some tea and honey. No medicine yet.
That's good. Tea and honey help. But I will give you some medicine to feel better.
Thank you, doctor.
You should rest, drink warm water, and sleep well.
Okay. Can I go to work tomorrow?
No, not yet. Rest for 2 more days.
All right. I will stay home.
I will give you a note for work.
Thank you very much.
Here is the prescription. You can get the medicine at the pharmacy.
Great. I'll go today.
Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon, Sarah.
Thank you, doctor. Bye.
Goodbye.